Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. In today's video, we will be designing a small guest bathroom in Art Deco style. So let's start. When I'm thinking about Art Deco style bathroom, first thing that comes to mind are geometric pattern tiles, bold colors or black and white contrasts for dramatic look, luxurious materials, gold accents and statement light fixtures. I will go for black and white look with white fixtures and gold fittings. As you can see, I have my room ready. It's a small sized bathroom, but we will try to fit a bath with a shower, here with a toilet and a sink. I added black door, black baseboards and also black framed windows. And I've used stained glass windows to add to that Art Deco style. Now I will start with adding tiles and then we'll go with the fixtures and fittings at the end. Now I will copy the tiles into remaining walls. To add a bit of interest, I will add a stripe of black tiles in the upper part of the wall. For that, I will use a Create New Product tool. And now I will simply copy the floor texture. I will repeat the step on each wall. Now I will start adding the fixtures and the bath will go first. Above the bath, I will add a niche. And I will add the black tiles on the inside of the niche. This bath will have a bath and shower function. So now with Create New Product tool, I will create an arched shower screen. The frame will be black and inside I will add a fluted glass. Now we will add a sink, toilet and other fittings and fixtures. The bathroom is finished, so now it's time for render. And this is how our Art Deco style guest bathroom looks on the renders. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing.